Have you ever looked at a beautiful backyard on social media and thought, there's no way I can afford that? You see elegant patios with cozy seating, warm lighting, beautiful planters, and custom wooden decor that looks like it came straight from a luxury outdoor living magazine. Then you look at the price tags and quickly realize that creating a dream outdoor space can cost thousands of dollars. But here's the exciting news, it doesn't have to. Some of the most beautiful outdoor spaces aren't built with expensive materials. They're built with creativity, thoughtful design, and a willingness to give old materials a second life. A weathered pallet, reclaimed fence boards, tree branches, old bricks, rusty metal, reclaimed timber, and even leftover stones can become stunning outdoor decor when combined with a little imagination and careful craftsmanship. Welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, whether you love woodworking or chic home decor, this project will inspire you. Stick around, grab your tools, and let's build something unique and beautiful together. You won't want to miss this. Today we're sharing 10 outdoor decor projects that can instantly transform your patio or backyard on a realistic budget using rustic materials. These projects are designed for homeowners, renters with outdoor space, DIY enthusiasts, and beginner woodworkers who want their backyard to feel warm, welcoming, and expensive without spending a fortune. The best part is that rustic materials naturally hide imperfections. Small knots, weathered textures, reclaimed wood grain, and aged metal all add character instead of looking like flaws. That means many of these projects are forgiving for beginners while still producing beautiful results. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 inspiring project ideas that can completely change how your outdoor space looks and feels. Whether you have a tiny patio, a modest backyard, or a large garden, these ideas can help create an outdoor retreat you'll enjoy every day. Let's begin with project number 10. Number 10. Build rustic wooden planter boxes that look custom-made. One of the easiest ways to transform any outdoor space is by adding greenery, but plants deserve beautiful homes too. Instead of buying expensive planters, build simple wooden planter boxes using reclaimed fence boards, pallet wood, or leftover construction lumber. The beauty of rustic planter boxes is their simplicity. Straight lines, visible wood grain, and a weathered finish create timeless appeal that fits almost any outdoor style. Whether filled with colorful flowers, herbs, ornamental grasses, or small shrubs, they instantly make patios feel more alive. Before assembling the planter, inspect every reclaimed board for loose nails or damaged sections. Clean the wood thoroughly and sand rough edges while preserving its natural character. A light sanding removes splinters without erasing the beautiful weathered texture that makes reclaimed wood so appealing. To extend the life of your planter, line the inside with landscape fabric or a plastic liner that includes drainage holes. This helps reduce direct moisture contact while allowing excess water to escape. A durable exterior finish suitable for outdoor wood can provide additional protection against the elements. Arrange several planter boxes at different heights near your patio, along walkways, or beside outdoor seating to create depth and visual interest. Sometimes a collection of simple planters makes a much stronger design statement than one oversized container. Number 9. Create a rustic outdoor coffee table from reclaimed timber. Every comfortable outdoor seating area deserves a practical coffee table, and reclaimed wood is perfect for the job. Look for thick reclaimed beams, old barn wood, or sturdy pallet lumber with interesting grain patterns. The goal isn't perfect uniformity, it's authentic character. Knots, weathered edges, and subtle imperfections tell the story of the wood's previous life while adding warmth to your backyard. Keep the design simple. A rectangular tabletop with sturdy legs and strong joinery often looks more expensive than an overly decorative design. Clean proportions and careful craftsmanship allow the natural beauty of the wood to take center stage. If your reclaimed wood has deep cracks or loose fibers, stabilize those areas before finishing the piece. Sand only enough to make the surface comfortable while preserving the rustic appearance. Applying an outdoor-rated protective finish helps the table withstand changing weather conditions while highlighting the wood's natural color. Style the finished table with a lantern, a few potted succulents, or a decorative tray. Small touches like these help transform a simple table into the focal point of your outdoor living area. Number 8. Design a cozy pallet lounge corner. Pallet furniture has become incredibly popular, and for good reason. With careful planning and proper preparation, humble shipping pallets can become comfortable outdoor seating that rivals much more expensive furniture. Choose pallets that are clean, structurally sound, and suitable for reuse. Avoid damaged or contaminated materials. Once selected, remove protruding nails, repair weak areas, and sand rough surfaces until they're safe and comfortable to use. Stacking 2 pallets creates a comfortable seating height, while a third pallet position vertically forms a supportive backrest. Adding thick outdoor cushions and weather-resistant pillows completely changes the appearance of the structure. Suddenly, what was once industrial shipping material becomes a cozy outdoor lounge. Warm neutral fabrics pair beautifully with rustic wood tones. Add a soft throw blanket, several lanterns, and perhaps a small side table built from matching reclaimed lumber to complete the space. The beauty of pallet seating is its flexibility. You can easily rearrange the pieces for entertaining guests or expand the seating area over time as your needs change. Number 7. Build rustic lantern posts for evening ambience. Few things transform an outdoor space as dramatically as lighting. Rather than relying solely on overhead fixtures, consider building rustic lantern posts from reclaimed fence posts, weathered beams, or salvaged landscape timbers. A single lantern casts beautiful light, but several lantern posts placed throughout the yard create atmosphere, guide pathways, and define gathering areas. During the day, they serve as attractive decorative elements. At night, they become warm focal points that make the entire backyard feel inviting. The posts can support traditional lanterns, battery-powered LED lanterns, or decorative solar lights designed for outdoor use. Whatever lighting method you choose, ensure it is intended for exterior conditions and installed according to the manufacturer's guidance. Different post heights create a more natural, layered appearance. Some lanterns may stand beside seating areas while others highlight flower beds or pathways. The combination of reclaimed wood and soft lighting creates a welcoming atmosphere that encourages people to stay outdoors long after sunset. Number 6. Construct a rustic garden trellis that doubles as art. Our final project in Part 1 combines beauty with function. A rustic garden trellis isn't only for climbing plants, it can also become an architectural feature that adds height and visual interest to your backyard. Build a frame using reclaimed lumber, old branches, or salvaged wood with naturally weathered character. Keep the design clean and balanced. Horizontal and vertical members create structure while allowing vines, roses, jasmine, or climbing vegetables room to grow. As the plants mature, the trellis gradually transforms into a living wall filled with texture, color, and seasonal beauty. During winter, the exposed wood still provides visual interest thanks to its handcrafted rustic appearance. Place your trellis behind a seating area, along a fence line, beside a garden path, or use several together to subtly divide different sections of your yard. Even before the plants fully establish themselves, the structure brings elegance and purpose to otherwise empty spaces. What makes this project especially rewarding is that it becomes more beautiful every year. As the wood naturally weathers and the plants continue growing, the trellis develops character that simply can't be purchased in a store. And that's the wonderful thing about rustic outdoor decor. Instead of fighting nature, these projects celebrate it. The materials age gracefully, textures become richer, and your backyard slowly develops a unique personality that reflects your own creativity. We've now explored 5 affordable projects that can dramatically improve almost any patio or backyard using reclaimed and rustic materials. But we're only halfway through. In the next part, we'll reveal the top 5 outdoor decor projects, including statement features that can completely transform your backyard into a space that looks professionally designed while staying within a realistic budget. You won't want to miss the number 1 project because it delivers the biggest visual impact without requiring an expensive renovation.